Hello students, now we are going to start illustration number 1 of partnership. Here Aarti and Bharti are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. The following trial balance was extracted from the books as at 31st March 2019. Trial balance is given. You are required to prepare profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet on that date, taking into account the following adjustments. Remember beta, last year you have already learned this thing. Closing stock is given, rent has not been paid for last month, outstanding rent, depreciation, and Bharti is to be allowed a salary of 5,000 per month and partners are entitled to interest on capital. It will be considered in appropriation. Rest 3 adjustment you have already done in your previous class. So first of all we will prepare today trading and profit and loss account, and after calculating the profit through this account we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now first thing is given opening stock. You all know it comes in trading account. 2 opening stock 36,000. Then purchases are given. Here we will write to purchase 6,20,000, and another thing is return inwards. Return inwards is sale return. By sale minus sale return means sale return is given 12,000. It will be deducted from sales. Next is given debtors. Debtors are assets. 1,25,000. Now after debtors computer is given 50,000. Computer 50,000. Then rent for 11 months is paid 22,000. Rent comes in profit and loss account 22,000. Then salary 1,20,000 to salary 1,20,000. Then land and building is our asset. Land and building 3,52,000 and wages 16,000. To wages 16,000. Now few more things are left. Journal charges 30,000. Journal charges 30,000. That is profit and loss. Journal charges 30,000. Next is cash at bank 25,000. This is our asset, and drawings in balance sheet also, liability side. Cash at bank 25,000. Then drawings. See, now we are having two capitals, Aarti's capital and Bharti's capital. We will add net profit of share of Aarti in Aarti's capital and share of Bharti in Bharti's capital, and drawings. Aarti's drawings will be deducted from Aarti's capital and Bharti's drawings will be deducted from Bharti's capital. See, we are having two capitals now. One is Aarti's capital and another one is Bharti's capital. Net profit of Aarti will be added in Aarti's capital and net profit of Bharti will be added in Bharti's capital. Drawings, Aarti's will be deducted from Aarti's capital and Bharti's will be deducted from Bharti's capital. Now credit side, sales are given. Here we will write sales 9,40,000. And return outward is purchase return, that is 4,000 only. 6,16,000 outside. Now creditors, liability, creditors 43,000, and afterwards interest. Interest is our income. It will come in profit and loss account by interest 1,000. Now two capitals are given. Aarti's capital 3 lakh and Bharti's capital 150. Aarti's capital 3 lakh, Bharti's capital 1,50,000. This all you have learnt last year. Opening stock, purchase minus purchase return, one direct expense is there, sale minus sale return. Now we will write closing stock. Closing stock 60,000. Closing stock is given here. First adjustment 60,000. It will come at two places. Once in trading account and once in balance sheet. Now rent has been paid for 11 months. Means last month is outstanding. We have paid 22,000 for 11 months. 1 month rent is 2,000 and it is outstanding. We all have to take 12 months expenses here. So outstanding rent is 2,000 and it will also be shown in liability side. We have to pay 2,000 rupees. Next is depreciation 20% on computers. Now the depreciation 20%. 20% of 50,000 is 10,000 and it will also shown in profit and loss account. Depreciation on computer 10,000. Opening stock, purchase minus purchase return, wages, sale minus sale return, closing stock 9,28,000. Now total of this 9,88,000 minus all these, you will get gross profit. What you will get? Gross profit, and it will be after deducting all these from 9,88,000, you will be having 3,20,000. This is your gross profit. This is your gross profit. Now gross profit will be transferred here. Gross profit 3,20,000, and after adding 3,20,000 and 1,000, 3,21,000. Now we have to deduct all these expenses from this incomes. Now after getting this, we will be having net profit. You have already learned beta ji this thing in your 11th standard, and this is the only question which is from 11th standard. Now this year we are going to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. This is new thing for you people, and in my last video I have told and I have explained the format also. Here we will write particulars amount, particulars amount, particulars amount by profit and loss account, the net profit of the year. We will write net profit of the year, which we have calculated from this. It will be 99% given in the question itself. It is just to remind you, nothing more than that. 1,37,000 is your net profit. 1,37,000 is your net profit. Now we are allowed to give 5 things to the partners: their salary, their interest, their commission and their remaining profit, and if there is any reserve. 5th item was reserve, and here interest on drawings. Now what is given in the question? Bharti is entitled to a salary of 5,000 per month. Means here we will give salary to Bharti. 5,000 per month means 60,000 per annum. 5,000 into 12, 60,000 per annum. Next thing is given, partners are entitled to interest on capital 6% per annum. Now what are the capitals? 3 lakh and 150. Here you will write to interest on capital, Aarti and Bharti, 6% of 3 lakh and 6% of 1,50,000, that is 27,000. That is 27,000. Now what we have to do? Total of this side 1,37,000, and from this we have to deduct 60 and 27. The remaining profit is 50,000. You have to deduct all those expenses from total net profit. Now your remaining profit is this. Now you will write it remaining profit, and it will be distributed to Aarti and Bharti in their profit sharing ratio, and the ratio was 3:2, and the ratio was 3:2. How we will distribute this amount in 3:2? We will just do 3:2 means total of these two will be 5. Getting my point? Out of total 5, 3 will be given to Aarti and 2 will be given to Bharti. Total we have to write now 50,000 into 3 by 5. It will be 30,000. Aarti's share, and 50,000 into 2 by 5. This is Bharti's share. We will write it inside Aarti and Bharti. Getting my point, beta ji? This thing you have learned earlier in your previous class, trading in profit and loss account and balance sheet. This year you have to learn just this profit and loss appropriation account. From profit and loss account you will take the net profit, and whatever you have to give to partners will be recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. Here you will write to salary to Bharti, 5,000 per month means it will be multiplied by 12, 60,000. Interest on capital, Aarti and Bharti, 3 lakh, 6% of 3 lakh and 6% of 150. That is this. Now from the total profit you will deduct two expenses. This is your remaining profit which will be divided to Aarti and Bharti in their agreed profit sharing ratio. Now this net profit will be added in their capitals, 30 and 20. Now after solving it out it will be 2,80,000 less drawings and net profit. One more thing is that we just have to add interest on drawing also. What we have given to our partners, we just have to write that. And Bharti we have given salary also. Bharti's salary was 60,000. It will be added in her capital, and we have given interest 18,000 to Aarti and 9,000 to Bharti. It will be added and it will be 328 and 229. Total of balance sheet must be equal of both the sides. 602,000. Getting my point? This was the same as earlier. This was new ki Aarti's capital, net profit of Aarti's share will be recorded. Drawings of Aarti's will be deducted. Interest on capital, Aarti's will be added. Interest on capital will be added in Aarti's capital, and interest on capital of Bharti will be added in Bharti's capital. Now salary will also be added in Bharti because only Bharti was having salary. This account was new only. Rest of the things you have already studied in your 11th class. This was new. Whenever we have to share the profit of partnership, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. And on credit side, we will write the net profit. It will be given in the question itself only, in the first or last line. This was the only first question in which it is to be calculated. Otherwise it will be always given in the question. And whatever we have to give to partners, we will write here only. Salary, yearly interest on capital, and after deducting these two from the net profit, the remaining profit will be distributed in their agreed profit sharing ratio. Now solve back question 1. Thank you so much.